in our today's video we are going to make a homemade hot dog. So what do you require to make a homemade hot dog? You require
smokies, and then
sablog,
and then
a pan for cooking smokies,
and then you need these tomatoes, onions, and then a small. You can also require something like this, a zesta or a chili sauce, and then mayonnaise for those who like mayonnaise.
From Delaware.
Yeah, mayonnaise, something like this one. Yeah, and then a salt. Yeah, you can also put a salt. Yeah, so let's start by preparing our sausage or smokies. Also guys, uko juu ni mbali kufikia. I require a small oil. So when you are making homemade sausage pia, kitambo we used to dip our sausage kwa mafuta, ndio vile, but zikuwa zinakuwa tamu. But my sister-in-law akanifundisha a new method of making easy sausage. Zinakuwa kama za watu wale wanauza mtaani.
Ghana people are watching, they don't understand.
They be like those people who are selling at the street. You know, their smokies are very, very sweet.
So let's get started.
With the pan, you let your pan heat first, slowly with a low heat. Yes. Inaniona sijioni. Ready to. Unakula ngapi?
Moja.
Naona kwa kamera.
Nakula mbili. Should I eat two?
Or one?
But they are very strong.
One is enough.
Let me eat two, guys.
Two, you will sleep. Two in one several, babe.
Should I take two? I'm conflicted whether to take two.
Okay, let's add our small oil. Just like that. Don't add more oil. The taste will not bring it well. Iruke, and then ikishatulia,
because it has water, that's why it's producing that sound. It's producing that sound because of water.
It smells so nice. Okay, now let's put our sausages. Sausages and smokies there. We are preparing breakfast, guys. Don't be shocked. Nice surprise that comes from your friendship there. Also, another thing to note: this smokies does not require a lot of heat. If you have realized, those people who make smokies at the roadside, they also use a very small amount of the heat. So you can also try that. Don't put a lot of heat. So guys, our sausages are ready, very ready now. Let me switch off the fire. You can see the color is nice. Higher, let's proceed to the next side. Now let me prepare my.
So let me help you. We cooked it.
Yes.
So cooking tea, we require milk.
Spices.
We require milk. We require a cardamom. We require cardamom or iliki.
Yes.
We require
Tea masala.
tea masala.
Yeah.
We require sugar.
And then a small cocoa.
Sugar
Yes.
and chocolate.
And a small majani.
Chocolate and
Tea leaves.
tea leaves. So how do we proceed?
Okay, you add all your spices, including your sugar. You let them boil.
Then add milk.
And yeah.
Then add milk.
Yeah. So so you can shoot.
Fine.
Okay. So we are starting. This is tea masala, and then this is cardamom. It's cardamom spice. In Kiswahili it's called iliki. Tuambie watu wenye hii tea ukuwa sweet.
This tea is very sweet.
Tea leaves, cocoa,
This is chocolate.
chocolate. Kuna difference ya chocolate na cocoa?
Kuna difference.
Yes, nasemanga zote.
Cocoa ni expensive. Chocolate is less expensive.
Oh.
I don't know
Sugar.
the reason. Sugar.
And you be careful when you are adding sugar. Seke nyingi. 3 tablespoons is enough. And then you wait for it to boil. Once it has boiled, you add your milk. So allow it to boil. While that is boiling, I am here preparing my kachumbari for the hot dog, homemade hot dog. Uko kama
Imechemuka.
enda basi.
Yeah, it's boiled.
You add your milk. Acha mkukate hivi. Hiyo ni kidogo. Add this one kidogo. You balance with your eyes.
I balance with my hands.
And
Can't seem to get out, but something deep inside won't let me quit.
That is ready. It's boiled. I'm told to reduce
the heat.
the heat to allow it to boil it to boil again.
And the mixing with the spices very well.
Also, here we have our onions. Then next, the tomatoes.
Yeah, and then I'm mixing them.
Yeah.
These ones are ready.
About the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
So me, I like washing my onions with a small salt to reduce that smell of onions per man. You guys will know it. But if you don't like this way, you can just go directly. Now the tea is ready there.
It's ready. Turn off.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't see.
Nasha kachumbari ya mtaani. Add your mayonnaise. Hii mayonnaise imetoka kwenye tulinunua kamera. Add your salt. Now this one is ready, guys. Very ready. If you have your limau, your lemon, you can add if you like it that way. So let's come to this side. Sausage, you divide it by 2. You must be a chef. It is not must to be a chef. For you to make such sweet things at home, fit for. This one mtaani is 60 bob or 50.
60. The last time I bought it at 60.
Bring me the chili sauce. Make it shave. Hujafunguliwa, leta hiyo nyingine. Kama mayonnaise kanaleta teremsha. Unanichukua? That one is very sweet, guys. You panga here. And then you continue with your process. Depends on how many you are making.
Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Yeah, so guys, up to that point I am done. Hey guys, so this is how I make my homemade hot dog, and it is very simple. You don't have to struggle with that. Yeah. With that simple things you have at home, like tomatoes, onions, the sub rolls, and sausage or smokies, you can make it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. We are going to enjoy it here.